Unang laban ng kanilang basketball team.
Alright,
second quarter begins. Martin Javier alongside Big Bo Belga taking you through this coverage. And it is EAC with the first possession. Ochavo, extra pass to Oftana. Comes up short on the three. Harvey Pagsanhan retrieves it. Pagsanhan, no. Ochavo went high for the follow-up, but he gets the whistle.
Ganda nung effort ng Ochavo doon. Ang challenge niya pa itong si Kapulong.
Alam mo to si Kyle Ochavo, pinafollow ko to sa Instagram. Napakasipag. Ano kahit
May mga ano eh. May mga
nagvi-video siya twice a day. Nag-extra work after yung training nila. Talagang determinado, no?
Hindi, tsaka kasi naman, syempre, ano, yung hindi mo rin ano yung height niya. Maliit masyado eh. Pagka hindi mo inanuhan ng kumbaga ng sipag pa,
Correct,
ng ano pa, saan ka na lang aabot, di ba?
So, kuhang-kuha naman kasi talagang from last season nakita natin yung impact niya on the court, yung bilis niya. Lalo, kahit maliit siya, asset pa rin siya sa depensa for Coach Jerson Cabides kasi talagang kinukulit niya yung binabantayan niya.
Actually, in both ways. On defense and in offense, he can facilitate on offense.
Yeah.
Sa depensa, kahit galing dito sa front court, may pressure rin ka nito.
Maiinis ka. Kung imitangan ng bola. Okay. Duromal and Manacho entering the game. This is Gerald Manacho alongside Axel Duromal. Natahimik pa sa ating laban. Earn J. Cross-court pass. Oh, stolen. Good pressure from EAC. Axel now. Bread and butter. Banker on a Sunday for Axel Duromal.
Basic na basic yung mga ganyan para dito kay Axel Duromal.
Unang 2 puntos neto ni Axel Duromal on his third attempt. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi daw siya masyado naglaro nung preseason. Mga 2 games lang daw. Kasi nagre-recover siya mula sa kanyang hamstring injury.
Ayun naman yung mga injury na gusto mong iwasan eh. Dahil hindi mo alam kung if it's fully healed already or kung kailan babalik. And may maling movement lang dyan. Pipitik at pipitik yan.
Kaya kailangan bago ka dumiin ulit, full recovery muna. Sigurado ka na matibay na ulit yung hamstring. Kasi yun yung mga tricky na injury. Ano?
Hindi mo alam kung kailan siya bibigay.
Yan at saka yung groin injury.
Groin. Calf, yan. Yung mga injury na hindi mo mapipredict kung fully healed na talaga siya. Ayun na naman. Nasobrahan na naman sa pressure itong Arellano na to.
And we say that with young teams sa Big Bo kasi pag masyadong aggressive, yung talagang hindi pa safe dumipensa o hindi pa mature dumipensa dito sa mga taga-adya sa tawag ng referee as Duromal misfires. And nakikita natin dito sa Arellano. JL Kapulong is back on the floor after playing just under 6 minutes in the first quarter, but he scored the first 9 points of the Chiefs. Let's use this pause to transfer it courtside. Balik tayo kay Glycel Galpo. Glycel.
One motivational season. This is how team captain of the Generals, King Gortiza, described season 99. Despite having their best run so far, he says that they were still 2 wins away from making history. Kayang-kaya naman daw pala talaga nila. Sadyang kinukulang lang pagdating sa finishing touches of the game. Kaya naman asahan raw natin na they will work extra hard to be in the Final Four and turn predictions into history. On the other end, kwento naman sa akin ng team captain na si Basti Valencia that last season, the Chiefs were reminded of the fundamental rule that every possession counts. Marami raw silang close games that they didn't win dahil bago pa sila sa sistema ni Coach Chico. And speaking of the Chiefs, in attendance to support his son, Dre Miller is the 2-time PBA MVP and NCAA Rookie of the Year in 1995, Mr. Willie Miller. Another familiar face, Martin and Mo.
That's right. Pinababa nga ni Big Bo kanina.
Nasa taas eh.
Yeah, Letran legend. Former NCAA Rookie of the Year as Glycel mentioned. And PBA MVP Willie Miller in attendance supporting his son. na hinihintay pa natin. Ito na.
Ito na, nasa loob
Pinasok
na. Oo,
Oh.
nasa loob na. Yung kanina pa nating iniintay na si Dre.
Yan, Dre Miller. Part of the Arellano Chiefs here. Kapulong
Lagpas.
underneath. No go. Ongotan gets it back. Look at the hustle of the Chiefs. JL. 2 free throws coming up.
Grabe. Nag-aagawan pa yung dalawang Chief doon. Hindi nga, kinuha na lang ni Kapulong. Akin na yan. Ito yung kanina pang knockout play na ginagawa na EAC sa baseline.
Manacho ang pumuntos doon. Ganda ng hanap ni Pagsanhan. Nakakatuwa sa sequence na yun sa Arellano. Yung sentro at saka yung point guard yung nag-aagawan sa
Oo,
likod.
yun nga eh. Si Ungotan tsaka si Kapulong eh.
Diba?
Ang ginawa ni Kapulong, akin na yan.
Mas malaki eh.
Oo,
Ayan.
diba?
Pero kanina, yung sinabi ni Glycel, kaya nila itong EAC. But it's gonna be a tougher season for them as we see their leading scorer from last season, JP Maguliano, right here watching. And si JP, almost, always a double-double each game. Siya, tsaka si Nat Cosejo ang
Oo, yung
nawala
dalawang
dito sa EAC.
Kaya malaking kawalan itong dalawa. Yung
Yeah.
Cosejo tsaka si JC. Kailangan mag-step up nitong mga bagong bata ni Coach Jersey.
At saka malaki yung shift eh. Kasi si Maguliano at si Cosejo. So, front line ang scoring.
Both of them
power.
are bigs.
Parehong bigs. Ngayong season, ang ipinalit ni Coach Gerson para punan yung scoring. Pagsanhan, Doromal, pati si Gortiza. Backcourt na yun. So, pati yung style nila, nag-iiba rin.
Magbabago siyempre. Yung, kumbaga, gagawa ka ng play naman ngayon, more on dun sa mga guards mo. Pero pagdating naman sa sistema itself, wala nang pinipili eh. Whoever's free, you can take the shot.
Yeah.
Yun naman ang inaano ng mga coaches eh. Hindi na pwedeng naka-point out ka lang sa iisang tao.
Marami silang weapon this year. Oh, Dre Miller is being hounded. Kapulong.
Ganda ng pasa.
What a find. That's Kapulong to Vinoya inside.
At one point, nakala mo, matatrap na si Dre Miller dito. Nakita niya si Kapulong sa gitna. And somebody cut from behind. Itong si Binoya.
Lucero. Doromal. Extra pass inside. And that's a point for Manacho. That's been his sweet spot on the court.
Speaking of front line, ito. Para kay Coach Gerson.
Banggaan na. Umpad at saka si Kapulong.
Oo, kahit sa labas eh.
Ito.
Usually, pagka ganyan, nasa loob mababanggaan yan. Hindi eh. Ito si Kapulong.
Pero nire-respeto niya yung range niya ito ni Kapulong. Ongotan cleans it up. That's what we love about T-Mac Ongotan. His hustle. Doromal sends it out. And Lucero now.
Talaga pagka, if they have a chance, somebody look out, ibibigay at ibibigay nila. Ganda.
Bumali pa doon.
Nagpipis lang.
Dre Miller. Ongotan. Pump fake shot. Uy!
Wala.
Bounced out. Uy! And the ball goes to Manacho.
Missed opportunity para dito sa mga taga-Arellano. Ito si Doromal.
Doromal leaves it for Umpad. Miller snatches it away. Good defense as well from Binoya. Stopping back for Miller. No.
Napasobra lang si Dre Miller doon para sa offensive rebound. Good effort para dito kay Dre.
Parang first quarter pa rin tayo. Ang bilis ng pace. Walang kapagod-pagod yung dalawang teams. Lucero. That one's off. And it stays with EAC.
Loose ball pa para dito kayo. Ito yung hanap kanina ni Kapulong para dito kay Binoya.
Axel Doromal counters with this pass to Manacho. T-Mac Ongotan. Out-hustling Harvey Pagsanhan in that sequence.
Yun naman yung expertise nitong si Ongotan. Kanina pa niya ginagawa yan.
Borromeo is back in the game. Replaces Basti Valencia who was yet to make a mark.
Oo, yun ito ang tahimik ngayon. Itong si Basti Valencia.
Doromal. Atake. Doromal. Difficult take. He will misfire. Pero last touch against Arellano. It's an 11-point lead for EAC. We haven't seen si Xander Estacio as we see here Coach Chico Manabat. Okay, timeout muna tayo. Abante ang EAC dito sa ating second quarter. Salamat, Stephanie Keyword. Diyan ay sustain. Here's the alley-oop! Oh! And the smackdown by Jun Roque. This is an opportunity to check this one out again. Pereras lobbing it up. Roque throwing down the alley-oop.
May pull up pa. Alam ko yung mamuscle up eh. Alam ko yung mamuscle up.
Kaya niya rin yan. Jun Roque.
Tsaka 2-foot gather, no? Exploding up and finishing.
Back to Andrada. Gonzalez.
Oh!
Enoch with a steal! Enoch Valdez! We're back to the coverage. Second quarter action, 6:19 remaining here in the first half sa laban ng EAC kontra Arellano. Fourth game of the season. Second of our doubleheader on a Sunday, September 8. Here in San Juan, bola ng EAC. They have another chance to extend the lead. Gortiza. Wala yun. Ito na. Ang Arellano Chiefs, Dre Miller at the helm. Borromeo. Hernal, impact player for Coach Chico. Umatake and he gets fouled by Manacho.
Medyo napasobra yung bump ni Manacho dun kay Herman kanina.
Ito si JC Luciano.
Ito yung isa sa mga i-consider mo na veterano ni Coach Gerson. Kasi ito kasabayan pa to nila Maguliano eh. Kaya lang hindi siya makapag-maximize in the previous season natin. Kasi nga, Maguliano and si Cosejo. At maganda talaga ang nilalaro ng dalawang yun.
That's right.
Ayun naman.
Kakapasok lang ito. Counted and the foul.
Yung mga magic bullet eh. Yung mga wala tayong makuha dito. Halika. Subok tayo ng iba.
Ganang galaw dito ni Akop. He is fouled. Gets the basket. This is Andre Akop. Another first-year player for Coach Chico.
Mintis na naman para dito sa mga taga-Arellano. Kanina, 2 out of 11 yan eh.
That one rattles in and out. Oh, Takaman! And one! His own version of a three-point play. Axel Duromal, nawala sa ilalim. And ito, ganda nung hanap din ni JC Luciano.
Medyo na-experience ni Duromal itong si Dre Miller doon sa
Sabi niya siguro, ito yung miss nyo sa akin eh. Arellano pa ako. Duromal, after a slow start, has now scored 6 points dito sa ating laban with 2 assists. Oh, Kapulong is hounded at the half court. Miller!
Yes!
Dre Miller with a beautiful move.
Speaking of half, ito meron talaga to.
Ayan na. Masyado malakas yung layup ni Pagsanhan. 35-26. Hernal. No. Save. Ganda nung pasa. That's Akop saving the ball to Kapulong.
Medyo malakas pa nga yung pasa. Kailangan ko ipapatama sa katawan. Kakampi pala niya yung...
Buti nakita niya agad.
di ba? Ay, same color tayo.
Gortiza. Finding Pagsanhan underneath.
Yun naman yung dapat na gagawin ni Gortiza. Kasi nga, most of the defender will hound you.
That's right.
So, siyempre, lahat help side tayo dito kay Gortiza. Siyempre, may malilibig. And finding the guy.
Mark man na itong si King Gortiza.
Finding the guy on the free spot, yun yung magiging trabaho ngayon.
Ito, Dre Miller found the opening and with some hang time as well. Sabihin ko ba Willie Miller yun?
Mas mataas lang ang talong
Mas
nito.
mataas yung talong nito.
Pero yung Willie Miller nung time niya ba? Iba yun.
Ako po.
Kahit sabihin mong... Alam mo yung pag tinignan mo kasi si Willie before, yung alam mo yung... Wala masyadong apps. Pero yung experience sa'yo.
That's right. Napakatalinong player.
Yung galing.
Yun, yung galing.
Galing, talented siya.
Okay, Gurtiza scores for EAC, extends their lead once again to 11. Kevin Santos with his third gem of the day. Wow! How about this? The Tomahawk down the middle once again. Iba talaga pag may buwelo yung Kevin Santos. Attacking. Destroying the rim.
Upside down, but there's nowhere he went but up on that play.
Balik sa ating laban, it is 39-28 with 3:59 to go here in the first half. Let's go to a couple of greetings here. Marlon Luna, Sir Marlon Luna and Sir Kurt Joseph Alugay of Cycle 70 and 72 from OPSS Antipolo. Thank you for watching. To my Lolo as well, happy birthday.
Ayun
Yan.
naman.
Celebrating...
May handa ba si Lolo mo?
Ha?
May handa ba?
Meron yata pero hindi ako nakasama. Okay. Meantime,
Uunahin ang trabaho kaysa sa...
Trabaho muna. Yan. Parang pupuntahan din natin.
Oo naman.
Pero dito sa ating laban, Big Bow, 39-28.
Mhm.
Mabilis ang pacing natin. Both teams
And
talagang looking to run each possession. 39-28. Sige.
ang nagiging problema nitong dito sa Arellano is isikapulong lang eh.
Oo nga.
They already have 12 points. After that, 4 points para dito kay Ungutan. Tulong ang kailangan para dito sa mga taga-Arellano.
Tulong kay Kapulong.
Oo.
Ayan.
Tulungan nyo si Kapulong.
Brian Angeles, kakapasok lang. Fouling De Leon.
Ayun naman. Yun yung sinasabi natin kanina pa na knowing the situations.
Yeah.
If you are in penalty, medyo lighten up the pressure. Huwag masyadong Kasi alam mo naman kung ano yung tatawagan ng referee tsaka hindi eh. Pero yung talagang obvious na hinahata mo na yung kamay. Talagang tatawagan ng mga referee.
And we are going to see a slower end to the first half.
Oo.
Kasi parehong teams
Penalty
natin
na.
nasa
Oo,
penalty
penalty
na.
na parehas. At 3 minutes and 50 pa para dito sa first half natin.
Pero ang problema sa Arellano, free throw shooting dito. Big Bow, 2 out of 12. 10 missed free throw na para sa
nagmintis
Chiefs.
pa.
Oo. Ayun,
Ayun
naipasok na ni De Leon. Sabi siya, pag sinisita nga talaga.
They
No?
are already 3 out of 14.
So, 3
Kahit,
out of...
kumbaga, kahit kalahati lang nung minintis nila, indikit sila dito sa laro
That's
natin.
right, that's right. Because they've been, again, getting the opportunities
Oo.
at the free throw line. Oh, Gurtiza. Bagsak ang bantay. Gurtiza found the lane. Too strong on the layup. Here's Basti Valencia. Valencia atake. Valencia.
Ito yung kanina pa natin hinahanap. Itong si Basti Valencia. Ayaw pa rin bumutas. Pero, he will take it. 2 free throws. Kumbaga, kuhanin natin dito sa padahan-dahan.
Team captain. Ito na nga, Arellano Chiefs. The expected leader. Ito na. Looking for his first points of the game. Kyle Ochavo. Babalik para sa EAC. Papalitan muna si Axel Doromal. Doromal will sit with 6 points.
Mintis na naman.
3 out of
Wow.
15 now are the Chiefs from the line.
12 miss dito sa first half natin.
Tama ka eh.
They were down just by 10.
Oo, kung
Makashoot ka lang ng
kalahati.
5 o di lamang ng 5, dikit ka pa rin.
Oh. 1 out of 2 for Basti Valencia. First point of the contest for the former Red Cub. 30-39.
Ayun na naman. Oh. Ayun na naman yung sinasabi natin. Know the situations. Kanina pa, both teams are in penalty pero and ang pinaka masakit pa doon is nasa half court eh. Not even in the akop shooting situation eh. Ang layo eh. Walang gagawin si Ochavo dito eh.
Yung point guard pa. Ang
Oo.
final nila. Ito si Kyle Ochavo. Was 1 out of 2 earlier. But last season, ito si Kyle Ochavo.
Although hindi rin ganun kagandahan yung free throw percentage itong EAC. They are 4 out of 9.
Ito si Ochavo, season 99, 75%. So,
Ayan.
21 out of 28 overall. So 2 out of 2 there. Once again, it is a double-digit lead for the Generals. Binoya. Aatake Binoya. Ooh,
Uy,
rejected
supalpal.
by Loristo. And here comes EAC, up and running. Angeles with a finish. What a pass from Ochavo.
Ganda nung hanap ni Ochavo doon.
JL against 2
Ayun na naman
defenders. He falls down. Binoya catching it. Shot clock is at 10. Valencia.
Wala pa rin.
That one's off. At ito na naman ang EAC. Pinakamalaking lamang. Dadagdagan kaya nitong EAC. 43-30. 2.5 to go sa ating second quarter. Here's the lob. Wow!
Malakas lang.
Ilang din si Loristo. Ochavo again with 5 to work with. Ochavo! Too
Malakas
strong.
din.
Ito naman ang Arellano. Back and forth we go. Binoya. Yes!
Ayun naman. Kung kanina nasupalpal siya, ngayon sinigurado niyang ma-shoot niya itong fast break na to. They have good shots actually. Kaya lang yun nga. Making the baskets, yun ang naging problema nila. Short.
Angeles had all day to shoot that one. Maigsi nga lang. Binoya, by the way, that was his second basket. Dito sa laban natin. Ongotan surveys. Ongotan scans the floor, decides to attack. T-Mac with some hang time. Tapos, ganda ng depensa. Valencia
Ayun naman.
scores!
Hirap na hirap itong si Valencia. Eto, pass break na naman para dito sa mga... Oy! Sorry, miss. Para dito kay Cortiza. Kala natin, easy layup na.
Second
Eto
layup
na naman si
missed
Ungotan.
by Cortiza, and Ongotan makes him pay on the other end.
Parang nag 4-point swing doon para dito sa mga taga EAC. Mintis ni Cortiza and pass break.
Baba ang abante ng EAC sa 7 puntos. Ochavo. Ochavo still has it. Touch pass to Luciano.
Malakas.
Masyado malakas. Pass to Valencia now. Runs the other way. Valencia getting tangled up with Ochavo.
Galing ng timing ni Ochavo doon sa dribble na yun.
Ito, Kyle Ochavo. What a pass.
Ito yung unang pass break nitong EAC. Ito naman yung sinurbol na ni Binoya doon yung tira niya.
Nabanda na. Ito naman yung galaw kanina. First field goal.
And
On a
pilit na
reverse.
pilit.
Oh.
Pilit na pilit. Uy!
JL Capulong gets fouled on the drive. Ongotan is
Bagsak si
down on the
Ongotan
floor.
doon.
Yeah.
Dati nakita ko ano nangyari.
Hard fall.
Nung nakita ni Kapulong na ang defender na itong si Umpad, inatake niya on na face-up naman. Foul na foul.
Recognizing his quickness.
Oo.
He's a lot quicker, especially off the dribble than
Kesa naman i-back down nito.
Yeah. So JL Capulong has been carrying this Arellano team. Adds on to his total. He now has 13 points. More importantly, they are starting to find their rhythm at the free throw line.
Almost a double-double na para dito kay Kapulong with 9 rebounds. With 51 seconds pa dito sa...
Pwede pa yan.
Oo, di ba?
Ayan na, 14 puntos, 9 rebounds para kay JL Capulong, but 2 out of 2 as well. More importantly, he cuts the lead down to 5. This is the closest they've been in a while. Cortiza feeding Umpad. No!
Sayang.
And it stays with the AC with a fresh 14 to work with.
Yun naman yung magiging assignment naman itong mga kasama ni King Cortiza. They are finding the right guy for the shot. Kailangan mo lang i-finish eh. Kasi nakakapanghinayang on a part ni King, na-atake siya, di sa'yo, and you will miss it.
That's right.
Diba? Parang kumbaga, frustration will build up on that part. Eto,
Oh, now play na naman para sa EAC.
hindi niya na ipinagkaubaya. Akin na to.
King Cortiza providing the goods. Hernal, inatake si Umpad. What a brave slice and attack right there from
diba?
Hernal. Ito, Angeles.
So you will see the familiarity with this AAC. Kung gaano sila kapamilyar sa isa't isa. Doing those lap pass off and inbound. Talagang alam nila na pwede. So, bigay natin, subukan natin.
Tiwala, ano?
Oo.
Ito si King Gortiza, 12 puntos na for the Generals. Hernal missing another free throw. That is the 13th missed free throw for the Chiefs here in the first half. They're 6 out of 19. King Gortiza, by the way, surpassing his average from season 19-9. Mintis pareho para kay Hernal.
Yun na nga eh.
And they
Ayun
fouled
naman.
Ochavo.
Yun yung sinasabi natin. Diba? Bakit mo pe-pressurein sa front court?
Lalo ngayon.
Last second shot clock na lang. Oh.
Wow.
Giving up a foul para dun pa sa guardia. One of the best free throw shooter para dito sa EAC.
Ochavo was perfect earlier.
Para ka nagbibigay ng freebies kapag ganyan.
Yun nga, familiarity and recognition kung sino may tangan ng bola.
Oo,
Okay
diba?
lang pumaul, sige. Pero
Walang problema.
yung low percentage na free throw shooter dapat ang may hawak. Short.
Kala ko rebound pa nila yun.
Ends up with Libang. Final shot time for the Arellano Chiefs. Chance to move closer before we end the first half. Pull-up jumper. Too strong for Valencia. And time will expire in the first half. That is the EAC Generals still in control, 46-38. When we return, we'll check out some highlights, some numbers for you guys, and we'll know the story of the first half. We'll tell you what happened in the first half right after this break. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood ng NCAA Season 100 Siglo Uno. Inspiring Legacies will be back after these reminders.